Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just realized after doing my September unboxing that I didn't do my August. So of course I ripped it open and said, wait a second, why was that so easy to rip? Yeah, and it was because I didn't do my video. So here we go. Better late than never, right? So 2 bows. These are cute, but as I said before, I'm not into bows, so that will be a giveaway. Stamping, One True King, Child of God. These are like capital letters and flowers of the stamp itself. Trying to put it in a way where you guys can see it clearly. There you go. Child of the One True King by Julie Cassell. And the usual is our Bible study with the reflections that I do on my Bible study. And the back looks pretty neat and different. So just a regular reflection. This is on John 3:1, Ephesians 1:5, and Jeremiah 10:10. So these are the reflection. This is like a pinkish red color. You can see. Can you see? Yes, you can see. And flowers, the usual hearts. These are like new, sort of goes with fall basically. Has a lot of blue. And the letters are square blue, all capital letters. So that's it, guys. Sorry for the delay. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye, guys.